Alright, on today's issue of Bang Bros, we got our good friend SpongeBob here.
Yeah, look at this cock.
He's ready for it. He's asking for it. He's asking for it.
Just chilling on my
He's like, how do you feel?
I feel great, dude.
Yeah. Are you ready for today?
Dude,
I mean,
you tell me you do not want to.
He's a pretty big guy, you know.
Dude,
I'm gonna bring him in.
What the hell is she doing over there?
what is our big bird doing over there?
I mean, mother of God, come on, guys.
All right, let's bring in our big bird.
Whoa, you're looking pretty good today.
I think SpongeBob's ready for him.
What is small dick there?
No.
That shit not my dick, it's a candle, sorry. No, I get sometimes.
Alright, let's get into the action, guys.
Right.
No for
No,
no foreplay. No foreplay. We're just gonna get into the action right here.
Okay.
Okay, take it easy there, Big Bird. Take it easy there, Big Bird.
You face that way. Damn you. Stop fighting.
I think Big Bird wants it from behind. I think Big Bird wants it from behind.
That's my bitch.
I think Big Bird wants it from
That's my bitch, man.
I think give it to him from behind. I think hey Tim, film me, film me getting in there.
Too much happened.
Film me getting in there.
2 months later.
I'm ready for it. Give me SpongeBob.
Unfortunately, 6 months later, we have a baby bird.
Unfortunately, now we got ourselves a little baby bird.
And graduation.
And a graduation.